Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with Essentials. Sign into an administrator account and make sure you have an active internet connection. Once done, open Device Manager. Press Windows key, type Device Manager, and launch it. You want to locate the network adapters node so you can see the missing or flagged device. Next, download the correct driver from the manufacturer and save it to Downloads or Desktop. This prevents confusion when you update. Make sure the driver matches Windows 10 64-bit or 32-bit. Now you install. In Device Manager, right-click the adapter with the yellow triangle and choose Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer and point to the folder where you saved the driver. Windows will install INF files. If that fails, use Browse Let Me Pick from a list and select the manufacturer and driver version manually, which prevents generic drivers. For vendor exe installers, right-click and Run as administrator, follow prompts, and allow a reboot when prompted, so the driver initializes correctly. To finish, restart the PC and check Device Manager to confirm the adapter shows as working properly. Then test connectivity by browsing or pinging an address. If you encounter issues, run Settings Network and Internet Network Troubleshooter to diagnose common problems. This automates DNS, DHCP, and binding fixes. If that does not help, uninstall the adapter from Device Manager, delete driver software when prompted, reinstall the downloaded driver, and as a last resort, perform a network reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.